Well, news just coming in. All India Students Association is holding protests against the Delhi University in the national capital. They're demanding the scrapping of the 4-year undergraduate program, a contentious program over which we're seeing the Delhi University authorities and UGC take on each other. DU students protesting against FYUP. UGC chief are going to meet HRD officials today. My colleague Moshimi is now joining us with the latest. Where exactly are these protests taking place and what are the students they're demanding, even as we see this controversy now snowball into a major one with DU as well as UGC digging in their heels? Well, these are pictures coming in of protests that are being staged by All India Students Association as they are demanding scrapping of FYUP, the controversial program of Delhi University. Upasna is joining us and she has more details. Upasna, what more can you tell us about these protests?
Ruchika, the main reason behind these protests is the confusion regarding FYUP, because on one hand, UGC has strongly asked Delhi University to scrap off FYUP. On the other hand, we have the Delhi University Vice Chancellor who still continues his statements of not discontinuing FYUP this session. Today late evening, the first cut-off list for Delhi University would be out and the students are eagerly waiting for the first cut-off list, but the situation right now has made it a bit doubtful whether the first cut-off list would be out today or not. So the main reason behind is that the confusion needs to be cleared right away. On one hand, there is a HRD ministry meeting which is going on. On the other hand, at 3 p.m. we have the UGC Executive Council meeting at the UGC office, which has 10 members from Delhi University Students Union, Delhi University Teachers Association, principals of colleges respectively. With me is a student from Delhi University who has been amongst those wing of students and teachers who were continuously protesting against FYUP. Why do you think FYUP needs to be scrapped off? Because DU Vice Chancellor says that it does not, disobey the 10+2+3 national policy of our education.
See, ABVP since the past 1.5 years has constantly been struggling so that the FYUP is rolled back. And now why we are against it is because that the previous 3-year education program had 27 main courses which have been reduced to 18 now. They have increased a year and reduced the course content. And a normal student who cannot afford a 4-year education, see, they're not providing hostels, they're not providing students with anything, but they expect them to stay here for another year and incur so much expenditure, and also the course content which has been reduced.
Alright, so that means there's a compromise with the course content and as well as the fees which the student has to pay. But here what we really need to notice is that as per the national education policy, the format that we follow is 10+2+3. But as per UGC, Delhi University is not following this format in FYUP, but we have the Vice Chancellor statement which says that if a student wants, he can leave graduation after 3 years. So this is not a compulsion. A student can anyway leave college or university after 3 years and get a graduate course degree. So why is there so much of chaos and hue and cry about this course when the student can leave after graduation degree which adheres to the norms of 10+2+3?
Again, see, the first year they just teach us discipline courses. So again, the first year there is no course content at all. After 3 years they are giving a pass degree, which is not equivalent to an honors degree. If someone wants to apply anywhere, maybe for an IAS or somewhere outside for post-graduation, the pass course is not equivalent to the honors course. Earlier, the honors course was a 3-year program, and now the pass course is a 3-year.
You agree that there is this total confusion and mess in the campus right now?
Right now, totally.
Right, and all of us are waiting for the HRD ministry meeting to get over, along with the UGC Executive Council meeting at 3 o'clock, so that the entire situation is clear as to whether the admissions would start from tomorrow and whether the colleges would take out their first cut-off list in the evening. Yes.
Well, Upasna, just stay on with us. Also joining us right now is my colleague Moshimi. Moshimi, the manner in which FYUP was rolled out and now the ultimatum that has been given by the UGC to DU to scrap this within a day's time, it's been shoddy to say the least. But students and teachers' bodies in Delhi have been protesting since last year against this program.
Yeah, that's right, Ruchika. The battle has heightened between the Delhi University Vice Chancellor and the University Grants Commission. The DUTA, the DUSU and the various student organizations have started a big protest against this entire course. You can see right outside Shastri Bhavan, they have burnt an effigy of the four-year undergraduate program, and the ISAs have been sitting here in protest saying that they would speak to the HRD minister, appealing that the directive by the UGC should be implemented at the earliest, because the Vice Chancellor has been ignoring this entire issue. We have with us Anubhuti. We'll speak to her, an ISA student. Anubhuti, the way the entire course has been handled and the politics behind it, you think the student's life is being put on the sidelines?
Yeah, obviously the students' rights have been put, they have been sidelined actually, and we are just demanding that, why should students be at the receiving end of a draconian authoritarian, decision by the VC? And moreover, now
They're also giving a memorandum to the HRD minister. What does this memorandum say?
this memorandum says that that recently, where the UGC has given a guideline to the various, to all the DU colleges, so we are demanding that those guidelines should be implemented off. The UGC guideline says that FIUP should be scrapped and the 3 years pattern should be revived.
Also talking about speaking to the president and appealing to the president of India.
Yeah, there is a special section, 31(6), if I'm not wrong, and through which the president, who is the DU visitor, he has the authority to roll back this decision. So
you can understand the way the students' unions have been protesting, a lot of pressure mounting on the Delhi University Vice Chancellor. But here there is an important meeting that is going on. The HRD minister is meeting UGC officials. Stephens was supposed to take out its first list of the four-year undergraduate program, and it has been held back. So you can understand the way this entire issue is just taking a mammoth proportion. It is unlikely that it will die down so soon.